Seafarers worldwide are currently facing a myriad of challenges brought about by the coronavirus pandemic. In Kenya, the situation is not different. They spoke to our reporter Petronila Goren.
The plight of seafarers amid COVID-19 pandemic is a struggle they continue to face day in, day out. Speaking in Mombasa Wednesday, the Secretary General of Seafarers Union of Kenya, Stephen Owaki, said more than 400 seafarers had lost their jobs due to the pandemic, while others got abandoned by the ship owners.
Most of the ship owners, because of the difficult conditions, some of them have decided to abandon the seafarers. We have quite a number of Kenyan seafarers who were previously employed on board MSC cruise ships, and there were quite many. In fact, there were around 400. Now, when the COVID was declared a global pandemic, and that was last year, beginning of last year, by March, all of the seafarers, Kenyan seafarers, came back home. And since then, they have not gone back to employment.
Majority of the seafarers' contracts were terminated, while those working on cargo ships outside the country got theirs extended due to different countries imposing stringent restrictions to curb COVID-19. The extensions and terminations have led to invalidation of their certifications, which are expensive and most can now not afford.
Most of us who are working on cruise ships got their contracts terminated or interrupted. Similarly, for cargo ships, there are people who had their contracts extended. They were supposed to disembark after 6 months, but they ended up staying for 9 months. That is stressful. And also, subsequently, this causes the ones who are going to relieve them to not to be able to relieve them.
According to the incoming chairman of Kenya Union of Seafarers, Joseph Kaemba, working with relevant stakeholders in the industry will assist in addressing the challenges of the seafarers.
I would want to request all the agencies involved in maritime and all the stakeholders to work with us. Mainly, I would request Kenya Maritime Authority to give us a shoulder. We also request the shipping industry and all port users, all businesses doing, all sectors doing business in the port to work with us.
The challenges notwithstanding, the seafarers are hoping to sail back to normalcy soon. Petronila Goren for TV47, Mombasa County.
Moving on, the Kenya Association